As dawn slowly awakens the kingdom of Alderia, silver mist drifts across emerald hills and sleepy valleys. Dew sparkles on wildflowers, while the first sunlight paints the ancient stone castle in warm gold. Church bells echo through the countryside as villagers begin another peaceful day, unaware that destiny is about to bring two extraordinary lives together. High above the village, the ancient fortress of the Alderia Rescue Corps stirs to life. Boots strike cobblestone, ropes are coiled, and young recruits line up for morning drills beneath fluttering flags. Among them moves Captain Elias Rowan, calm, unhurried, watching everyone before they even know they need watching.
Just means you'll never drop it again.
Yes, Captain.
Also, you're doing it upside down. Another quiet day, Captain? Those are usually the dangerous ones.
Across the valley, sunlight pours through the arched windows of Saint-Gabriel Medical Center. Dr. Amelia moves through the children's ward with quiet efficiency, checking charts, adjusting blankets, offering a steady hand to every small patient who reaches for one.
You're prettier than the flowers.
Then I'll have to live up to it.
Down in the cobblestone heart of the village, the old market square is transforming for the coming Lantern Festival. Bakers stack golden bread, florists arrange wildflower stalls, and musicians tune their instruments beneath colorful awnings. Alderia is a kingdom that knows how to celebrate being alive. Weaving unseen between the stalls is a scrappy teenage boy named Theo. Quick hands, quicker feet, and eyes that catalog every unguarded pocket in the square. He isn't cruel, he's just hungry, and the world has taught him to take before it takes from him. Near the fountain, Nurse Lily Bennett has set up a small first aid tent
bravest
for the
me in
festival,
Alderia.
bandaging scraped knees and handing out sweets with equal enthusiasm. Her laughter
sticker
carries
or a
across the
sweet?
square like sunshine that
That's the
never quite
spirit.
fades. Nearby, Lieutenant Rowan Blake inspects the climbing ropes stored for festival safety drills. His
Sir,
expression
do you ever
unreadable,
relax?
This is
his hands
relaxing.
precise. He says little, he
That's
rarely
terrifying,
does.
sir.
But every knot he checks is a
Means you're
promise to
paying
someone
attention.
he's never met yet. Elias arrives at the square to check on festival security, compass swinging gently from his neck, sunlight catching its brass surface. Theo's eyes lock onto it instantly, old, valuable, and, to a boy who reads people for a living, clearly loved, which somehow makes it worth more.
He is there to check on festival security. That's mine. Captain, he just... The sunlight, watch the stalls. He is there to check on festival security. That's mine. I'll pay for them! 10 coins on the boy! He is there to check on festival. That's mine. He is there to check on festivals.
Neither did you. Give it back anyway.
Word travels fast in a village this size. By the time Elias carries Theo through the gates of St. Elora, Dr. Amelia is already running down the front steps, coat billowing behind her. Their eyes meet for the first time. And for one long moment, the whole world seems to hold its breath.
You've been rescuing people again.
Occupational hazard.
You should let someone look at those. You've been rescuing.
I was hoping someone would.
With Theo resting, Amelia brings tea out to the hospital garden, where cherry blossoms drift lazily onto the table between them. The conversation that follows is easy in a way neither of them expected.
glad Theo is
A
doing
white
better.
bird crosses overhead, and a single feather drifts down between them, landing unnoticed on the table.
Yes, it is.
From the window above, a bandaged Theo watches the two of them laughing together and can't help but grin. Maybe stealing that compass was the best mistake he's ever made.
You're smiling. You never smile in hospitals. You say they smell like disinfectant and bad news.
Maybe it grew on me.
Or maybe she did.
I have no idea what you mean.
Back at the fortress, Rowan notices his captain has returned an hour
You
late,
fell in a river.
soaked to the bone,
I dove in a river
and
for a
inexplicably
compass.
cheerful. He says nothing for exactly 4 seconds.
And the doctor had nothing to do with the extra hour. Get back to work, Lieutenant.
Landslide! Villagers trapped on both sides.
How many?
We don't know yet. Move, now!
Ready, Captain? Always.
Come back safely.
Line secure. Sending the basket across. Copy. I'm going over first.
Hey, can you hear me? I'm coming to get you, okay? Just hold on.
I'm scared.
I know. I've got you, I promise.
Captain, structure's unstable. You've got maybe 90 seconds.
Then I'd better hurry.
Elias! Get out of there! The whole thing is coming down! Doctor, you need to clear the area!
Not until they're out. Thank you. Thank you both. You scared me.
Occupational hazard. You're safe now.
Thank you so much.
They're finally back. We made it.
Theo watches the celebration from the shadows, compass still tucked in his pocket, feeling its weight differently now. He's stolen plenty of things before. This is the first time one of them felt like it belonged to someone who'd earned it.
You have to make a wish before it goes up.
I don't really do wishes.
Everyone does. You just don't say them out loud.
Theo finds Elias near the fountain, away from the music, and without a word, holds out the brass compass. It's the closest thing to an apology he knows how to give.
I was gonna sell it. Figured someone rich would pay a lot.
And now?
Now I think it belongs with you. You clearly need it more than the money.
You know, we're always short a few good hands at the Corps. One's fast enough to climb a roof and brave enough to jump off a bridge. Come by tomorrow. We'll see what you're made of.
Why do you keep risking yourself? Today, that tunnel, you had maybe 90 seconds before it came down on you.
Because someday, someone I love might need a stranger to do the same for them.
I'd want that stranger to try.
That's a heavy thing to carry. Lighter than carrying the alternative. I've never seen them like this before.
It's like walking through a dream.
I'm glad I'm sharing it with you.
Me too, Elias. Me too. Bring it back to me.
Only if you promise to keep making this place worth coming home to.
That I can promise.
Time to get back to duty.
Amelia!
Please be careful.
All units, this is unknown distress signal from the northern mountains.
Rowan, change of course.